Hello, my name is Kenneth Flores,
My name is Chen.
and we are doing car reservation system, project number 17. Our problem we would like to solve is allowing people to have an easy way to find parking. So in order to mitigate this problem, we created an app, an Android application, which we'll be showing you throughout this video. So right now we're going to get into the design and the demonstration of our entire product. Alright, and this is our icon for our application EzPark, and we'll begin by going to the home screen. As you can see, our home screen has 4 options, beginning with turning Bluetooth on, which allows the Android application to communicate with the Arduino. So we'll turn on that Bluetooth. Alright, so the remaining 3 choices is begin, end, reservation, and rates. And we're going to go to rates just to give you a sneak peek of our prices, and we're going to return to begin the reservation. Alright, as you can see, we're connecting to the Arduino via the C Bluetooth shield, and we're going to begin our reservation. The next screen you see here is a grid which shows you the available parking spaces, and as you can see, in order to reserve a spot, you need to register your license plate number, and once you hit register, the Android application communicates with the Arduino to open this door. Open on the right. So now that the door is open, it waits 15 seconds. As you can see, the ultrasonic sensor, is waiting for some sort of object to go into the parking spot so the door can close. However, we've set it for demonstration purposes for 15 seconds. That would allow the time the user to actually occupy the space, and if no one gets into the space within those 15 seconds, as you'll see right now, the door will actually close and the spot will become available on the app. So we're going to show you now what will happen if the ultrasonic sensor, which as you can see it's right there, detects an object within the parking spot. So we're going to go through the whole reservation once again. As you can see, we're going to reserve a parking spot in order to show you what happens when there's an actual object in the ultrasonic sensor's path and how it communicates or goes in tandem with the motor. So we're going to actually reserve a spot, and the door is going to open, and we're going to use my finger as the object. And as you can see here, the LED is flashing to warn us that the door was closing, and the door will close because there is an object in the ultrasonic sensor's path. So currently there's a supposed car in the parking spot, and as we speak we have a counter going to keep track of the time the car is in the parking spot. And then once the user decides they no longer want to occupy the parking spot, they can end the reservation on the app, which we'll do right now. And again, you have to insert your plate number in order to end your reservation. So here we'll get our payment info, and there it is. The total is $8. So we'll pay now. And as you can see, our payment has been received, and we can open the door on the app, which we'll do right now. Now, again here we have a 15-second delay. Okay, now that we have shown you our app, we are going to talk about our testing methodology. And basically we have a couple parts to our hardware: the 7-segment display, the LED, the ultrasonic sensor, and the servo motor. And we had the least experience with the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor, so we played with a couple of sample codes to see how both of these worked. And at first we had problems with figuring out the positioning of the motor and the distances of the sensor. However, eventually after a few tries with the code, we got everything to work together and mesh together pretty well. I'm going to hand it over to David to talk about the Android app and the methodology and problems.
So for our Android app, we weren't very well knowledgeable about how to code Android apps, so I had to look a lot at the Android documentation. A key problem was getting the Bluetooth to work to connect to the Arduino. I had to do a lot of trial and error, and getting the buttons to work, getting them to switch screens was a bit difficult.
And that is our project. So I hope you enjoyed it.